A very warm good morning to all of you. I am Kanak and we are standing in front of you to share with you physical features of India. The features of India can be grouped under the major physiographic divisions. Major physiographic divisions are the northern plains, the Himalayan mountains, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains and the island. Now I am explaining the Himalayas mountain. They are geologically young as well as structurally fold mountain. They run from west to east direction. They form an arc over a length of 2400 km from the to the west direction. Range of Himalayas. There are three parallel range of Himalayas are Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Himadri. It is the most continuous range of the Himalayas. It has loftiest peak in an average height of 6,000 meter. For example, Mount Everest with the height of 8,848 meter, Himachal. This Himalayas lie south of the Himadri and form the most rugged mountain range. The average height of this range is 3,700 to 4,500 meter. The important range of these Himalayas are Pir Panjal, Dholadhar and Mahabharat. Now Shivalik. These range extend from over a width of 10 to 50 meters width and 900 to 1100 meter long. These range are made up of unconsolidated mud and rocks bowed down by the Himalayas mountain.
The North Plain area was
Morning everyone, myself Himani Kaushik from class 9. Today we are present in the front of you to give a presentation on the topic of Peninsular River, the Indian Desert. Peninsular Plateau. It is a high tableland made up of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. The Peninsular Plateau was born breaking up of the Gondwana land. The Peninsular Plateau represents a relief of round hill, broad and shallow valleys. The Indian Desert. The Indian Desert lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hills. The region receives very low rainfall below 150 mm per year. It has arid climate with low vegetation. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. I am Ishika Khari. Now I am explain the coastal plains and in the islands. Coastal plains. The perpendicular plains in Peg Pass chest of narrow closed strips running along the west of Bay of Bengal. On the west, the plains along the Bay of Bengal are and living in the north parts is the reflect to as the northern circular. The islands. You have early said that Indian has two main line. Besides this, the country has two groups of islands. The Lakshadweep Islands groups clouds the coastal of these islands. It covered same area of 32 kilometers. Thank you.
Now the northern plains. The northern plains of India are alluvial part of the India. They are formed by the sediments brought by the river, namely Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. The plain is spread over an area of 7 lakh square kilometer long and 240 to 320 kilometer broad. It is densely populated and intensely cultivated area. The northern plains divided into three divisions are Punjab Plains, Ganga Plains and Brahmaputra Plains. Punjab Plains. It covers the western part of the northern plains. They are formed by the Indus River and its tributary. Ganga Plains. It extends between Ghagar and Testa River, spread over the state of Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Brahmaputra Plains. Sir, final year. Sir, बस 2 लाइन बची. Thank you and have a nice day.